Assalamualaikum viewers, hope you are fine. We are going to discuss some question answer related to chapter number 3 that are related for your paper and according to ALP Smart Syllabus. I am showing the slides. If you have any query, you can comment and ask from me. These are some short questions related to chapter number 3. Further videos will be uploaded soon. If you have any query, you can message